May the best brother win. This is brother versus brother, no rules. Sure, Drew and I are super competitive when it comes to these challenges, but we're still brothers, and I really do wish him the best. But if I happen to maybe want to bring him an early housewarming gift to wish him luck, it's just the right thing to do.
So when is the front door coming?
So the front door is on its way. We can get this thing installed
If we do the...
almost immediately.
This looks suspicious. Congrats, Drew!
Huh.
Kinda knew you could do it, but I still did it better, Jonathan.
Interesting.
What's this?
Oh!
Oh, why? Can't you do a clean prank? Because it's so messy. Bran, 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 bran. Congrats, Drew. You're doing such a great job. I felt nobody celebrates you as much as you should be celebrated. He thinks of pranks that he finds hilarious, but he doesn't think of how long. No, you know what? He probably does think of how long it'll take to clean up. That's the whole reason he did it. Did you do this because you heard that I was going to add a little extra color to my design? Because this really does tie into the color scheme. Yeah, I wanted to give you every color possibility for your design. Oh, but guess what? There's 6 more of them throughout the house. No rules! No rules! You suck!
Did you see that? That's exactly how you do a confetti bomb prank. He's totally gonna get me back now for that. I'm in a bit of a holding pattern while we wait for concrete to be poured at my house, so I might use this as a time to get a little info-seeking payback on Jonathan. My victim, Gus. Gus!
Uh-oh.
I come bearing gifts.
That looks good. Hold on. Are you trying to get information out of me?
Me? I would never try to bribe you. No?
Hey,
No,
I'm giving you, sir, are under arrest. You didn't tell him anything, did you?
No, of course
We need to beat his memory out of him and just get...
Listen, I'm not breaking rules. I can do whatever I want. I just thought I would come and give Gus, you know, some deliciousness.
Yeah, because he's a weasel.
I like the look of the vault. It looks good. I mean, your bathroom and closet, a little smaller than mine, but at least now I know what I'm up against. Not much.
Oh, all right. You have more space, sure, but you also have more expense. See, this is what's called making smart decisions on a budget. I don't think you even know what a budget is, looking at all the stuff you have to do over there. You know, then you just eat your pizza. What a loser. Yeah. Let's eat his pizza. I had a little something special made, just to rub it in. I mean,
That's so obnoxious.
yeah.
You let him put that on your bus?
Yes, say yes.
Oh my God. Wait, hey, who's Team Drew? Oh, come on.
Hey, they're all Team Jonathan.
All right. Let's get on that bus. Welcome to my famous tour. Oh, I'm so excited, everybody. Whiskey A Go Go is just over here. This opened January 13th,
16th.
January 16th, sometime in the early 70s.
At least get the year right, if not the day.
Wow, I'm really bad at this.
Whoa!
Branch. Okay. 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 They should trim those branches. Those have been growing since 1896.
6.
Yes.
At least get one thing right.
Thank you.
Just one.
I needed one.
Okay.
I am glad I am not doing this. He is derailing badly.
We're now in Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills is a beautiful area of town, famous shopping. This is Rodeo Drive, everybody. Or as my dad calls it, Rodeo Drive. He's a cowboy.
Good old Rodeo Drive.
Now that is a true fact. That's the first true fact of the tour.
Yeah.
We have one more famous place to talk about, Pink's Hot Dogs. Everyone loves Pink's. That's even where Jonathan took Zoe for their first romantic date together.
We're vegetarian.
Yes, she's a vegetarian, so it was a fail.
You're the worst.
Wait.
You're the worst. 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 He doesn't get embarrassed.
Come on.
I feel like this punishment has kind of backfired. Drew is totally in his element here. Does nothing embarrass my brother?
Thank you so much, everybody. I love the affection. Enjoy the rest of this tour.
Okay, so that'll be good. I'm looking around like, first of all, who are these extra crew in here and why are they wearing hard hats?
Oh, we're not your real construction crew.
We know nothing about plumbing and drywalling.
That's true.
I have no clue what these tool thingies do.
But we're here to send a message from your twin brother, Drew. Oh, we're wasting your time on purpose. Oh, we were hired
do
to
not-
mess with you.
We do not have time for this.
You always win these kitchen challenges.
And now we'll waste your time, and there's nothing you can do.
Because Drew bought your workers and kicked them off the job. And he replaced them with the singing flash mob. So now you will lose, and the prize will go to Drew.
The brother that your mother loves way more than you.
Oh, we're
Well, that's not
wasting
true.
your time on purpose. You agreed there are no rules.
It looks like more.
Good luck getting this kitchen done. You won't win. Thanks to us and the more handsome twin. Drew, not you.
First of all, aren't you wasting your own time being over here and not being over there?
I am so efficient that we're actually getting double the work done. I brought your crew over to my house, and they're helping me get ahead.
Oh,
so-
really?
Yeah, I'm out of here.
This is not going to stop me from winning the kitchen challenge. I don't lose kitchen challenges. You know what? All I need to do if I want to keep working, boom. What? People are singing?
Man.
People dance? I don't need, what?
I should put those in when he tells
I can't hear you.
Gosh.
What?
Step up here.
I don't trust you with
and then
my
assume
jacket.
the position. Jonathan, oh, that looks
Is this meant for a big guy my size?
Yes. Oh, and we're going to cover him up with this.
Okay.
So grab that end and lift. Here we go. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. The arms out.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to take the saw.
So right about here?
No, no.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Oh, my goodness.
I definitely feel that.
I
all
want
right.
to point out, Drew has wanted it to be property brother for a long time.
In go the blades. Yes. Showbiz.
All right, and there.
Excellent. You really jammed that one in. Good. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
You're amazing.
Thank you, thank you. I think Jonathan's looking pretty solid right now.
The amazing silver, everyone.
I will take my
Yeah.
spot in the audience. Thank you, thank you.
Oh,
This is no longer funny.
See you later. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, give me.
There we go.
Get back
Bye.
here.
You get some money
Are you serious? Drew, this is not funny. Drew! JD? Ed? Janitor? Anybody? Can I have my spleen back?
JD helped Drew beat me in the kitchen challenge, so now it's his turn to help me get payback. It's allowed. There are no rules against two brothers teaming up on the other one. Ah! Oh, shoot, he's coming. Just leave it, leave it.
What? What is going on? What are you doing?
Having a delicious sip seaside?
This must have taken you hours of wasted time to come and do this.
It's less valuable for your house to be way up here in the hills in the middle of nowhere. So I thought, as your big brother and also being the bigger person, for free, I would bring the beach to you.
You aren't leaving. You guys are definitely cleaning this up because I don't have time.
Yeah. Don't
Get out of here.
Hold on. Do you want us to help you clean up or not?
Yes, you're cleaning this up.
Well, that's I'm getting up so I can help you.
Gosh.
I got the bird. Let's go.
So there's no wheelbarrow. It's gonna take you a while to get this out of here.
Thank you for all that. Please come back. Oh my gosh.
I hate birds. Yes, monsieur?
Welcome to the team.
As much as Linda and I are gonna love this amazing dinner experience, I think that we would both agree, Jonathan waiting on us hand and foot, that's gonna be the best part of this reward. Because if there's one person who loves sticking it to Jonathan as much as I do, that would be Linda.
Place this in front of them 12 o'clock. Lotus root, rose geranium, Buddha's hands, a little bit of radish.
I've never seen it placed so poorly before.
So it was mango, radishes, something Dalai Lama's pinky. your first course.
Thank you.
There you go.
Wow.
Now, we have crispy roots. No, taro root. We have taro root. We have pickled bunions.
Pickled bunions?
Please enjoy.
I think this is the best brother versus brother prize ever.
Winning is one thing, holding that over Jonathan, but being able to enjoy this beautiful romantic meal with you.
Oh, thanks.
They're gonna finish out there. Make sure the food stays warm, okay?
Okay.
Go, go,
Here we
go.
go.
Go,
Do
go,
not
go, go,
drop
go.
that.
Oh, nice. Oh, wow, that smell is amazing.
Love that smell.
Can you remind me, who won the kitchen challenge?
Oh, yes. It was Mr. Drew Scott.
Oh, thank you. Okay, just.
It was still an inferior kitchen, and I'm getting the next one.
Oh, I don't like this service.
No tip.
He got me really good with the confetti bomb in my living room and the beach in my ADU, but I have the perfect revenge. I'm enlisting my nieces and my nephew, aka the little guns, to help me.
Well, I think this is gonna be a lot of fun.
He has no idea what's coming.
I've got my crack team assembled, so next stop is Operation Paint Party at Uncle Jonathan's.
Hello. Probably half an hour or so. Yeah. Guys, Uncle Jonathan is gonna love this artwork.
What are you guys doing? Oh, we wanted to bring you some artists, some local artists to make the wall beautiful.
That's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
I mean, I wouldn't mind hearing a little thank you for their amazing artistry.
You get your drywall in.
goodness.
Wait, you skim coat, you smooth it out, and then what happens? The cutest kids in the world just come and ruin it, and you can't say anything because they're super cute, so you have to just blame Drew. You realize that this now will have to dry and then be sanded and all be reprimed again. And...
Code word Team Drew.
Oh, what are you guys doing? Oh my goodness. No.
So I just don't know how else to say you're welcome. You're welcome.
Oh, I'm gonna think of some ways to say thank you.